DICON-D7G Defense Limited, Nigeria's trusted name in tactical defense. Government approved. We deliver cutting-edge military, security, and tactical solutions exclusively to authorized agencies. Our mission: equip Africa with precision. Our vision: lead its defense revolution, from firearms and ammunition to armored vehicles, surveillance drones, and tactical gear. We supply the tools that protect nations. We serve Nigeria's most vital institutions: the army, the police, customs, ministries. At the helm is Osman Chanar, a global entrepreneur with deep experience in international defense and security operations. Behind him stands a multidisciplinary team of military veterans, engineers, and specialists. With global partnerships across the US, Europe, UAE, and Turkey, we deliver world-class defense systems to Nigeria, certified by Nigeria's top authorities, from NAFDAC and the Nigeria Police to the Ministry of Trade. What sets us apart? Smart sourcing, reliable delivery, after-sale commitment. Our capabilities also extend to next-generation intelligence and security services. We don't just supply equipment, we empower frontline defense. DICON-D7G is building Africa's defense future with arms and drone assembly, ammunition production, armored vehicle manufacturing, advanced surveillance systems, and a naval shipyard. This isn't just a plan. It's the foundation of Africa's defense future. DICON-D7G. Precision, power, protection.